How to fix overheating issues on Windows 11. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily fix this problem. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go to your search bar and then search for Control Panel. Once you open up your Control Panel, you just need to make sure that your view by category is set to large or small icons. And then from here, click on any one of the options, and then from here type in P and you'll get to the power options right here. Click on power options. Now choose whatever plan you have selected and click on change plan settings. And from here, you also have an option to change advanced power settings. This little pop-up will show up on your screen. And here what you're going to have to do is find the option called process power management. Click on this plus icon and you'll see your maximum processor state. Click on this plus again. And just make sure that you set both of these values to under 100, somewhere around 90 to 95. So let's say if we just set this to around 94, I'm going to do the same for when plugged in as well. Decrease this to somewhere around 94, 95, or you could just set this to 90 on dot, and then click on apply, and then OK. Once you have done that, you're going to open it again. And under the same settings, you'll find the system cooling policy. Click on this. Make sure that you set both of these to active and then click on OK. Now click on apply and then OK, and you should be good to go. So that's how you fix the overheating issues on Windows 11. If this was helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.